Alright, what's good, guys? It's Pokey Banks, baby. Welcome back to my channel. Firstly, Happy New Year to everyone watching this. Happy New Year 2025. We are halfway on the way to 2030, okay? The decade started at 2020. We're halfway of the way to 2030, okay? So this year is a year you need to get on your grind. If you didn't wake up in 2020, if you didn't wake up in 2021, if COVID and them things there didn't switch your brain on for some reason, this year, please, I'm begging you, you need to get on move on. But yeah, guys, what's good, my people? It's Pokey Banks, baby. Banks TP. My bad. Banks TP on TikTok, where I talk about personal finance. More time now. What I'm really focusing on is Forex trading. Trading the markets, all of that. As you can see over here. We can go through a lot. And this is the first proper week of the year, right? And I'm going to go over my trading for the week, I'm going to go over my trading for the week. I'm gonna go over like how well I've done, the trades I've taken, all sorts, and it starts from the 6th of January. So yeah, I think we can begin there, really and truly. But yeah, to begin though, just before I start with that, I just want to give you guys an update. I've been meaning to do a video, but let's go over my prop firm portfolio. So essentially, as you can see down here, I'm 50k funded. I'm 50k funded with QuantTeckle, QT. I got funded, and how I got funded from them was through phase one. I passed by taking a long trade over the day. I think it was Euro USD. And then phase two, again, it was news. Again, passing in one trade, okay? Passing one trade, that's what's helped me get funded with that prop firm. But currently, I'm now doing 100k phase one with funded by traders. Again, this is a new prop firm that is run by traders, just like ourselves. So essentially they can see and sympathize with our problems, making sure we get paid out, having the best spreads that they can, and also just giving us the best experience when it comes to trading on them, which you'll see throughout this video. And then secondly, I'm also doing 100k phase two with QuantTeckle as well. I think QuantTeckle, that one's in drawdown, like probably at 2%, so it's at 98k. My phase one, 100k phase one with funded by traders, that as well is, well, you'll see where we're at with that one. But yeah, first week of the year. I want to do weekly updates, okay, guys? I want to do weekly updates. I want to take you guys through the journey, show you guys how I'm trading. Yeah, I want to show you guys what trades I'm taking. Also, this is kind of like a diary for me as well. So yeah. Anyways, this week, let's go over. So this week I was trading on my 100k phase one funded by traders, and I was trading on my friend's account. Now, essentially, I trade for people as well. So yeah. So yeah, I actually trade for other people as well. So I do like account management and whatnot. So that's another thing I do. So with that being said, I was trading on his account. Basically, you're simply trying to grow accounts. Like I could grow accounts from £200 all the way to 1,000. Like it can be done. So if you're interested, we'll talk. But anyways, alright, cool guys. So this is my first trade of the week. Now, just an insight to my strategy. I only trade within this bot or this bot. So this is London session. Starts from 7 a.m. GMT, and then we've got New York AM session. Again, this starts from 2:30 GMT. Now with New York AM, with Monday, unfortunately, I believe this day I did not wake up on time to trade London, but as you can see, it was very smooth. Trading in one direction, 50 pips up for grabs, nice, smooth. Missed it. It's cool. We're here for New York session. So New York session. Essentially, now I missed longs initially when New York session started, the AM session. I missed that. So I'm looking to get in, wait for a retrace. You know me, I love my retraces. When price goes up, it tends to rebalance. Come towards a key market driver. In this case, I was looking for. Hold on. I was trying to enter off. I believe it was a 15-minute. No, I lied. 5-minute. There's a 5-minute, 3-minute key market driver. And it actually makes sense why I actually lost this trade, because based on when I look back on my journaling and my back testing, coming off 3-minute key drivers, this is a market structure break. We came here, we reacted. I believe I got in a bit late, so therefore I probably waited for some respect to this level, and then I got in late here. 6 pip, was it 6 pip? 6 pip stop loss. If we look at the DXY now on the left, essentially what I was expecting, which I can show you. Hold on, give me a second. It was here. Cool. So I was expecting downwards pressure on the DXY. As you can see, when the DXY goes down, hold on, let me make that clear for you. When DXY goes down, GBPUSD goes up. Why? Because DXY is a dollar, the dollar strength index. GBPUSD, GBP pound is the base currency, so therefore you're monitoring the chart based on the strength of the GBP, the pound. So if the dollar's getting weaker, GBPUSD will get stronger. So I was expecting dollar weakness, therefore longs. So when I'm looking for confluences, I'm always looking at the DXY to see what's happening. But as you can see here, we came into, and by the way, this is synced. So where the crosshair is, that's the same time on both pairs. When price came into this downwards looking market structure break, then I was looking for bulls, which it came. But the only thing is, as you can see with price came in to grab some liquidity. As you see with price was struggling to break above this level. We actually do have an impulse candle there. So price came into this level. It failed to break it about 4 times. We grabbed some liquidity and we pushed towards the downside and it stopped me out. And then, if you go on a 5 minute, we then came to this 5 minute market structure break. So I went off a 3 minute. That was my first mistake. We came to a 5 minute one, and again, as you can see, the dollar's still respecting the 5 minute. We've come here and then we've pushed to the upside. We pushed my level, another impulse candle to the upside. I missed out on 37 pips. It's a shame. It's cool. These losses, I don't really mind them. If I'm being honest, I don't really mind them at all. But it is what it is. So yeah, I did lose that. That was my first loss of the week. So yeah, I was down like $1,000 on my phase one. Oh yeah, in terms of risk management, yeah, I'm risking 1% right now. I was risking last year. I was risking 1.5%, but I feel like let me get into the swing of things. Let me start the year safe. So yeah, that's the situation. I mean, yeah, as you can see, actually, yeah, on the DXY, price came up. Let me find out. So yeah, we came up. You know what? If I'm being honest though, there are some low time frame confluences. So this is a 5 minute impulse. Price came up here now, and when we're matching a 5 minute impulse, 5 minute liquidity, and then also a 5 minute market structure break, when everything's landing, you just go boom. So yeah, maybe I should have waited, and that'll be that. So yeah, let's move on to the next trade. Hold on. Now, obviously, you see this. This is me just basically preparing and like forward testing essentially. So there was this trade I missed on Tuesday. It was sells on my live stream. I believe Visionary did catch this, so it's a shame. But yeah, there was some PMI news. I believe it would have been a nice trade, but I just didn't have the the confidence, the grit to take this trade. As you can see here on DXY, what I've noticed is that when price is touching a resistance level, an institutional resistance level, actually these are even some old markings. Initially, it's clear that I thought DXY will become weaker. We're at a resistance level, so I'm thinking we'll bounce off. But what I also need to understand is that when price taps a resistance level so many times, we have to understand that price is looking to break through. Okay? When we're making higher highs and higher lows, the price action is looking more bullish, That is something I need to actually realize, So we're making higher highs and higher lows. Yeah, price was very bullish. I expected dollar weakness, if I'm expecting dollar weakness, therefore I was expecting longs here. But as you can see, we didn't get that. And probably last minute, I realized it was shorts and I didn't get in. So, if you're not sure, don't get in the trade. But yeah, it's a shame. That would have been a nice trade. As you can see again, with these zones normally they trend in one direction. So as you can see, New York AM dropped 60 pips. That's lovely. London that day was, again, I probably woke up late that day. Again, I was probably back testing and just seeing how I would have gotten this trade. But yeah, it looked like longs looked like the play. So yeah. Cool. Let's move on to what was it? GU buys again. Okay. Well, Wednesday. Hold on. Okay, how the hell did I get in GU? Okay, it was down here. Okay, cool. So again, okay, I hate saying this, but yeah, I must have missed one thing to work on. You know what it is? I can wake up early, okay? London session is 7 a.m. I can wake up early, that's not an issue. Just sometimes I just get bed trapped. Like I'm waking up, but it's just getting out of bed. That's the thing, you know. So next week I'm gonna be on it. Next week I'm gonna be on it. But yeah, I missed London session again. Beautiful session. Selling. Yeah, cool. That was this Wednesday, innit? So at this point I'm a bit annoyed. But cool, let's move on. This is the 5 minute now, so New York session is about to start. Cool, so that's my L. So let's dig into this one. So it does look a bit messy, but essentially I'm expecting dollar weakness. Cool. So as you can see, prices are at premium, so I'm expecting dollar weakness, which did come through. But as you can see, price came to seek some liquidity. He was playing around at some impulse candles. Let me show you. No, not. Yeah, cool. So this 5 minute was impulse candles, 5 minute liquidity sweeps and whatnot. Now, price did break a bit early, as you can see. Price did break to the downside a little bit early. So let me go to the 3 minute now. So yeah, cool. This is where I got faked out, okay? So DXY broke down to the downside. And when it came back, I got in on this retrace. So let me even, I believe it was like that. Yeah, there you go. So I got in this retrace. I'm in now, but price has gone to seek more liquidity, and then we dropped. So again, with this L, again, what I've noticed is that sometimes again a little bit too early. It's a shame. Again, I lost $1,000 and it's down the drain on the funded. If I got in, if I waited for this level of liquidity, my stop loss was 5 pips. 6 wouldn't have done nothing. I would have had to have a 10 pip stop to even like stay in that trade. That's not happening. But yeah, if I got in early at low level liquidity, maybe wait for more confirmation. But yeah, I got faked out. Price came to the upside. We created this market structure break, engulfing candle. So I entered. Boom. This is a 3 minute. Boom. Didn't work. So maybe I should have gotten a little bit lower. But yeah, man. It is what it is. Just cool. And then later on in the session. Now, usually for me, 2 trades in a day, then I'm done. So this day, I only lost 1 trade, but as you can see, I was just testing some stuff. More longs came about. Yeah, more longs did come about. So, yeah, that's the issue. Again, price was around here. I was expecting weakness. I didn't get in, but I did test it. So it's a shame, but hey, it's cool. Now, let's move on to what you're all here for, right? Yeah, let's go all the way. Thursday, yeah. Actually, before I begin, I need to edit this because let me tell you something, yeah. London isn't red. London is blue. Okay, yeah. Chelsea for life. If you're ever gonna download this this ICT kill zone type indicator, change your stuff up, okay? London is blue, so make sure you're one, or you won't be able to analyze properly, okay? You want blue profits. You don't want to see red on your MT5. Trust me. On MT5, you want to see blue, not red. But anyways, this beauty of a trade, yeah. This beauty of a trade. You guys are not ready. You guys are not. Alright, cool. So this trade, yeah. I mean, there's so much to talk about. Like, I don't know where to begin. Where do I begin? Anyways. Now this orange line, let's look at this orange line. This was actually 2024's yearly low. So I'm thinking, are we gonna go up? So I've woken up early this time, yeah. I've woken early, and I'm thinking we could grab liquidity and then push up from this level. If I go on the flipping, I'll go on the monthly quickly. Cool. On the monthly, in April 2024, this was the yearly low for GBPUSD. So I'm thinking we might grab some liquidity, but cool. I'm just thinking that. But I've woken up, we've broken right through it on the 15 minute, and we've come and tapped into this inverse liquidity level, as you can see. Now on the US index, again here we broke above a level. I believe it was on the lower time frames. On the DXY, we had that market structure break. Why? Because this candle ate up these 2 candles. it's a bully. You know, we bullied that candle, so I knew we would hold at these levels. If you come to the 5 minute as well, so that was the first market structure break. But on the 5 minute, I believe there was some. Hold on. On the 5 minute, okay, no, it was a 3 minute clearly. My bad. Alright, cool. Yeah, on the 3 minute, we had a market structure break here, so price reacted and respected these levels. So yeah, we're breaking low. We're respecting the inverse liquidity levels, as you can see here. This is 7 a.m. by the way. London session, a lot of people say London session starts at 8 a.m. Yes, it does, but remember, we're in Europe, so people trade in Frankfurt, Germany. They're 1 hour ahead of us. So the Frankfurt session. So I include all of that when it comes to starting trading. So I wouldn't just wait for 8 a.m. Like as you can see, once 7 a.m. hits, we're trending one direction. You know, we trended one direction and we pushed up again. So you could make money both ways. But anyways, I've got in now. I've seen my confluences and whatnot. I've got in. Boom. I did firm a little bit of drawdown. As you can see here, we came back up a little bit. 6 pip stop loss. And then yeah, we just trended downwards. We trended downwards 1 to 10. So for 60 pips, I can show this to you on all of my accounts. But there's one big mistake I made. One big mistake I made. One big mistake. This trade, as you can see, like you're probably thinking, wait, if this guy took this on his funded, 100k funded, he should have passed. Like it's 8% to pass, right? Actually, by the way, 1 to 7, 1 to 6. 1 to 16.8, not even 1 to 10. I took 2 trades in this trade. But anyways, you're probably thinking like you should have passed your account. I should have. Now, essentially, I'm not too confident with using C Trader. I mean, I could use it, but essentially, I was playing around with it, and I'll show an example of not an example. I'll show exactly what happened actually. And essentially, what happened was I wanted to stop using the tool that I was using on C Trader. So there's an X button. My dumbass, I clicked it. It closed my trade out. So I probably closed out on this trade on my funded around at 1 to 1.8. So imagine man's closed out here. I'm thinking, cool. Should I enter again right now? Like, so I've closed now. So I'm thinking, should I just enter again? But then to get the same RR, 1 to 6. I don't know. I was just thinking. I don't know. My mind wasn't. I'll show you the guys the video so you guys can understand. But oh crap! I accidentally closed. Oh fuck. Oh C Trader. Oh, no. How do I? What, should I just get in again? Flip. Oh no, C Trader. I didn't mean to do that. Wait, how should I just get back in? No. Oh gosh, this is not. I didn't get in again, so I'm firming it. Then I got in again here. So basically, I got a 1 to 8 plus a 1 to 6.8. So, but actually, you know what? I didn't close there. If I'm being honest, I probably closed like here. So basically, I got a 1 to on my funded. I was down to 97k in terms of drawdown. Yeah, 97k, and then then I've made 1 to 8 basically 1 to 8. So I made like $8,000 nearly on that trade. That brought me to 104.5. I was 3.5% away from passing. But if I didn't make the mistake, bro, I would have passed like around here, because that's 1 to 6.9, 1 to 3. That's 1 to. Yeah, I would have passed like around there. It would have been lit. But yeah, no, this trade was perfect. I was holding. Bro, it was perfect. Like I was just holding. Like I was more looking at the DXY, so I thought maybe here we might get to a level. And to be fair, I should have stacked it even more. Like 2 trades in this trade is not enough. I should have had way more. I should have got in here. I was looking at here, but I didn't have the balls. I didn't get in. So that would have been, bro, 1 to flipping 10. 6, 8, what's that? What's 6 plus 8? What's 14? 24, 1 to 24. I was supposed to get in. I could have got in here. Anyways, let me not even gas it too much. But this trade, best trade of the year. Oh, the year just started, but best trade I've taken in a long time. I want more like these, no joke. But yeah, I was looking at DSY. The DSY kept climbing. It kept climbing. It just kept climbing, and then we hit a level. I think it was a 4 hour level. Let me hold on. Let me. Ah, cool. Oh, no, damn. Hold on. What was this? Wait, hold on. Ah, cool. It was here. Yeah, it was here. So I got in like down here. Price came all the way up here. We hit a 4 hour level. I was thinking, yeah, this is probably enough. And then there was nothing. There was a weekly impulse down there, but we didn't reach that. But yeah, I was thinking 1 to 10, that's enough. Like anything more that's greedy is greedy. Like, and it was more 1 to 10. On the person that I'm trading, I hit a 1 to 17, and I'll show you. As you can see on the screen, this week it doesn't look like it's the best. Like 6 losses, but this trade, it made up for it more than enough. Like plentiful, like plentiful, bro. Like, and one thing you gotta admit, and you gotta like appreciate, right? Is look, the losses are consistent. Like the risk management is there. There's no, like, I'm not doing anything crazy. You understand? Like, I'm doing it like correctly. Like the lot sizes are consistent. I'm not doing a mad thing. So you gotta appreciate that. But yeah, this trade of the week. Yeah, guys. Yeah, no. It's crazy. I can't lie. But anyways, we got more. I don't know if you want to see the losses. There's no. I don't know if there's any point. We can go over a few of them quickly. I'm not gonna. I don't see the point. But yeah, beautiful trades. I'm actually teaching people how to catch trades like these, big trades. There's ways. Trust me. But yeah. Alright, cool. So then, okay, cool. So now that I've taken this trades 1 to 17, I missed the 1 to 17. Yeah, that's London session. I'm like, cool. New York session, I'm here to kill it. I'm here to go mad. Yeah. So now I then go ahead and I lose like 2 trades within like an hour. Bam, loss. Now, so yeah, literally, I literally just I just got banged by the market. This is the Forex gods basically saying, you hit us with the 17R, but we're gonna take some money back. Like, don't worry. The universe will be rebalanced. Like, there's no way we're gonna let you go about thinking you're some kingpin in the markets. Like, we're gonna get our money back, and they did, as you can see. So, yeah. First of all, this trade, in my opinion, I picked the wrong pair to trade. So this was a first sell. I should have took this trade on EU. Where was the sell? What day was this? Thursday. Was it? Hold on. Was it Thursday? Yeah, I should have taken this trade on EU. So if we look at the time, I've got in that 240. By the way, EU and GU, they're quite similar. So like they're kind of interchangeable. 5 pip stop loss, target some liquidity. Probably go for one for free anyway. If I took the same trade at 240, on EU, it would have been a win. But at this time, pound dollar was very bullish. The pound itself, if you go on Euro GBP and look at that time, Thursday. Yeah, so cool. Thursday now. When the session started, Euro GBP is melting. It's melting. If Euro GBP is melting, that means Euro's bearish. And yeah, I don't know why I thought GBPUSD or GBP was bullish. I mean, I don't know why I thought it was bearish either. So silly trade to take. I should have taken it there, but I didn't. So it is what it is. Again, that loss, it is what it is, happens. And then this one, I just got violated. When was this? 3:30. Yeah, that was just a wrong trick. I was just trying to make my money back. But hey, cool. Let's move on to Friday, the last day now. Where's my next trade? Okay, I took a trade on EU actually in the morning. Okay, yeah. This one, yeah, I woke up late. So I think I woke up around like 7:30ish. So I've woken up. I've not really analyzed the markets how I should have. Hold on. Yeah. You know what it is? I thought, price might reverse here, go up. Therefore, price might reverse here. This is a 15-minute impulse candle. It didn't hold. But what I should have noticed is that price just violated it. Like, even on the 5-minute, it literally, I did not, I think I ended. I got in a trade right here. Yeah, I just got faked out straight up. Like, yeah, straight up. Like, there's nothing to say about that. Like, if I go in 1 minute, I believe what I saw. Yeah, this is what I saw. The 1 minute, I saw a break to the downside. So I'm like, cool. Let's get in. There's 1 minute impulse candle. It worked for like 2 minutes, and then we came back up. It did give me a chance to get out. It gave me a chance to come out, but obviously SLTP. I'm not gonna, you know, the hell. And vice versa here as well. We came down here. We came back up. I'm thinking, cool. Let me get back on the retrace. We just went back down. So yeah, that happened, and I think once I actually rubbed my eyes properly, I realized it was bullish for the rest of the session. So if I was awake from here, it would have been a different story. I would have probably gotten longs. So it is what it is. Silly trade, silly trade. Yeah, and finally, let's go on 1 hour. Now NFP happened. What time was this? NFP. I didn't trade morning session. I don't. Oh no, I did. I'm chatting rubbish. I did. EU. So NFP happened. I didn't miss NFP. Like I was there. I was live. I just didn't have. I didn't have the directional bias. Like I can see why it was bait that it was shorts. Like the 2 hour impulse, it held pretty well. 1 hour, I think there was some liquidity stuff. Maybe I don't know, but. Yeah, I just didn't get in shorts. I know some people online, they pass their phase ones. Like these type of candles pass you your phase ones straight up. You know, so yeah, that's why it was bullish as hell. I thought we might be bearish, so I wasn't really 100% guaranteed. I wasn't sure, so I thought, you know what? How about I trade the aftermath? I trade post NFP. You know, why don't I just do that? Simple. So my first mistake was not getting longs here. First of all, like what I've noticed is that when price makes a candle like this, it wants to rebalance, and then maybe we can drop more. Usually, that's what I've noticed in my previous NFPs. Again, 8 years, trading experience. I joined TradingView on April the 12th, 2016. Yeah, that was these times I was 15 years old, year 10, trying to trade. I've been analyzing XRP since 2019. At 1 a.m. June 26th, 1 a.m. 2019. What do you do at 1 a.m.? What do you do at 1 a.m. in summer in 2019? Most of you probably partying. I was out here analyzing. So yeah, I've been out here. But anyways, I should have gotten longs here. Literally like a little 6 pips. That I should have done something like that. And then yeah, I would have been lit. Do you know what I'm saying? 1 to 5s. That would be nice. But I missed it. So cool now. Now, guys, I want you to talk to me about this loss here. Oh yeah, by the way, it was a loss. This one was a loss. So essentially, I got in longs here, and we came to level liquidity. And funnily enough, while I came to level liquidity, someone asked me in my chat, like while I was on live, do you take partials? And I said, no, I don't. Like I'm a full TP type of guy. So price came in, I was 2R up. This is a 1 minute time frame, by the way. Within 2 minutes, price violated. Price just went to my SO. Now, should I have been at break even? I think about it. I don't know. I mean, it's like 2R up. Yeah, you shouldn't really be taking a loss. You shouldn't really be taking a loss. 2R up. Yeah. So yeah, I could have. At least, I don't think I would have taken profit though. But yeah, I was expecting more. Like, if I am to check. So yeah, cool. So this is let me go to 5 minutes. Excuse me. So yeah, this is how the DXY was coming. It was nice downwards price action, and then all of a sudden, boom, pushed back up. So if I just show you what happened after. You get, so after I took this L, I've taken 2 L's in a day. So I was just thinking, there's no point. But yeah, price came here. Price came here, and then let me show you something. So price came down here. Yeah, so price came down here. We reached a 5 minute impulse candle. We respected it and we pushed up. So this is a push I was really looking for. Again, premature, very premature. If I hadn't taken that trade earlier, maybe then I would have had more ammo. I might have gotten these longs. So, yeah. But yeah, that's my week. And then what happened? And we continued to just dump. So, even so, longs wasn't even the main play anyway. It was really sells. It was really sells. So, yeah, interesting. But yeah, man, that's my week. Am I happy with my week? Of course, the 17R trade. Like, who wouldn't be happy with that, right? But like, obviously, like with the 17R trade, like, you know, who wouldn't be happy with that? But I should have done better. You know, some of these L's are silly. And if I had a subpar week, like if I caught a 5R event, I would have been break even. I would have lost some trades. I lost 6 trades this week. Like 6 trades. It's not good enough. Banks, it's not good enough. I can't lie. So I do need to improve. I'm gonna learn and take these on. I feel like I did get some sort of god complex from, you know, hitting these trades. There's some money left on the table. But hey, I need to wake up early because there's some sessions I just didn't trade. Like there was a whole day I didn't trade. There's nothing wrong with not trading on a day, but like come on, like banks, like you can do better than that, you know? So it's one of those ones. But yeah, like anyways, if you guys are interested, if you want to trade, you know, let me show you. Got funded by traders. Let me do that and that. So yeah, this is funded by traders. As you can see, you've got 1 step, 2 step, instant funding, 50k instant funding, 1899. But you get an account live all straight. Skip the evaluation, skip it. 10k. Wait, 10k instant funding is 399. 5k is 199. So cool. If you get 5k, obviously there's gonna be some rules, so definitely go check that. But anyways, I'm doing a 2-step, 100k, 529 dollars. Now, if as you can see, max daily lost 5%, nice. Maximum lost 8%, cool. Profit target 8%. News traders permitted, so yeah, you could do that. Oh right, it's actually permitted on even on the funded section, so that's calm. Now 529, right? Let's do the maths. If we go and buy now, yeah, 100k, standard challenge, C trader. Alright, cool. Discount code, as you can see, banks20, verify, $423. Now, $423 in pounds is £350. So you can pay £350 for a 100k challenge. Past that, then you just need to make what, a 0.3% payout to break even, bro. This is a money glitch, guys. We need to get online. Yeah, we need to get online. But yeah, guys, let's get lit, man. For real, let's get lit. There's money to be made. Now, if you guys wanna, you know, get in touch with me, speak to me, all the links will be down below. Telegram, Discord. I'm actually making a Discord so everyone can jump on and, you know, we all network and get to know each other and drop trades. I'll be doing, you know, live streams, competitions, all sorts. So make sure you lot are there. And yeah, man, like yeah, I'm gonna do more videos like this. Like I'm trying to do. I wish I could do daily, but I'm just busy. But guys, check me out. Yeah, check me out because this year we're getting lit. Like by any means, necessary. Yeah. So let's get it. Alright. Check me out, subscribe, like the video, let's push it out there, let's get it. It's Pokey Banks, baby. Alright.